Hello, we're
C.
and we're here to talk to you about a very important PSA, aka also known as public service announcement.
Cooties are spreading rapidly through kindergarten and preschool classes in America everywhere.
Every day, over 2 million children are affected by this fatal disease. And in 2050, if we don't stop this madness, 85 million people will have kids with cooties. So you're probably wondering
How we can stop this madness
and save our children's future.
by using protection like crayon condoms.
Avoiding playing tag at recess. And last, but certainly not least, separate your classes into male and female. Protect, no tag, and segregate.
We have to stop the madness.
And save our children.